guys, today we're taking a look at the ZEALOT. This is their portable mega bass wireless speaker and more. So we're gonna test this out and see how it performs. This is the unit. So if we take a look on the top here, we have our power, we have EQ, we have our different modes. So if we press and hold, this gives it power, it lights up. We're gonna go connected. So here we can see some RGB lighting. If we turn off the lights, you can see that much better. So you got a couple different lighting effects. That's probably gonna be my favorite. You can see on the top here, the modes light up. The lighting effect does go to the sides as well, which is really cool. Now let's go ahead and test this out.
So just stay tuned for the rest of the show. So have you ever felt? I'll take a face full of pain, I can taste it. I know there's no turning back.
Okay. So I don't know how much of that music I can actually keep on due to, you know, copyright and all that fun stuff. Hopefully the audio wasn't muted, but I can say this now, the treb is amazing, the bass is amazing. This is probably one of the better portable subwoofer speakers I have reviewed. I've had no issues with this one. If we shake it, nothing is loose inside. Everything came cut, you know, together. On the back here, you can put a TF card in here. You got USB and all these other ports as well, AUX port. It connects perfectly with Bluetooth. Overall, one of the better subwoofers I've reviewed in a very long time. Very impressed with this. You could use this indoor, outdoor. Obviously if it's gonna rain or something, bring it in, but if you have a party or something, you can easily put this up and people will hear it in your whole backyard. Your neighbors probably would hear it when turned max. Very impressed. This gets, you know, if I gotta give my rating, it's definitely in the top definitely in the top 10 subwoofer speakers systems I've ever reviewed. And I've reviewed quite a few.